Hi everybody, this is Deb Connor in Southern Indiana Rescue Effort. I'm with Lewis, a paramedic from Indy, and I'd like you to meet his gorgeous, and I mean simply friendly, gorgeous, cat-friendly as well, pit bull named Aurora. Lewis, would you like to reiterate the story of how you met Aurora?
Sure. Aurora was a rescue dog like all our other dogs. She was found in Indy with an infection in her eyes, and unfortunately, because of the infection, they had to remove her eyes. She is blind. She's a wonderful personality, very friendly, gets along with children, gets along with cats. Unfortunately, because of the body languages, she has a hard time getting along with the dogs. When she tries to play and they don't want to, she can't identify the "you leave me alone" stance, and unfortunately
that makes sense. That really does.
Which has unfortunately happened a few times. So because we have a couple other dogs, we have to find a new home for Aurora here. She needs a home where she's the only dog.
Hi, honey. I want it to be known that this girl is utterly friendly. She's a wiggle butt. When I pulled up, a total stranger, she just totally, she rubbed against me and just totally welcomed me. I mean, this girl, hi, honey. I love you. I absolutely love this dog. She's a belle, look at her. She's a baby wiggle butt. 64 pound, brown and tan, white and tan American Pit Bull Terrier. Look at her, look at her. She's gorgeous. Absolutely endearing. Oh, look at you, baby girl. Oh, look at you, baby girl. Lewis, you guys have done an exemplary dog. An exemplary thing. She's well socialized. As I mentioned before, she's good with cats, and her only problem is not her problem per se. It's because she lacks the eyesight to read other dogs' intentions. And the other dog don't really
Other dogs not wanting to play.
Lewis, we're going to find this girl a great home. I mean, a very responsible home, a motivated home, and a good family. And you've done very, very well with her. Aurora, that's a 64 pound, excuse me, bundle of love. This dog is heartworm negative. She's up to date on her shots, well socialized, and she's just a baby dog. Give Mom a kiss. Give Mom a kiss, you silly pit bull girl. Yeah, look at you. Look at you. Oh, dude, this is one hell of a dog. Okay, Aurora and Deb Connor, Southern Indiana Rescue Effort out. Bye, baby. Aurora. Bye, sweetheart.